Welcome back. In last session, we learned how to solve a system of nonlinear equations. If we'd like to solve the system of linear equations in the form of a times x equal to b, where is a n by n matrix of coefficients and b is a n by 1 vector, which defines the right hand side of our equations, and x is n by 1 vector of our unknowns. This is a system of linear equations and it can be solved using this general command: x equals to a inverse multiplied by b, and in MATLAB we can use linsolve to solve a system of linear equations. Let's define a sample problem. For example, we'd like to find the values of x, y, and z such that x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 2, x plus 4y minus 5z equal to 6, and 5x minus y minus z equal to 12. And you know that you can define a as coefficients of these variables: 1, minus 2, 3, and 1, 4, minus 5, and 5, minus 1, minus 1, and b as the right hand side of these equations: 2, 6, and 12. And now we're ready to find the solution of this system of linear equations. Let's define a as 1, minus 2, 3, and in next row 1, 4, and minus 5, and 5, minus 1, and minus 1. And let's define b as 2, 6, and 12, and let's transpose it to have it as a column vector. And we can, let's take that the a is not singular or not. It's not singular matrix, and inverse of a is given by this, and you can multiply it by b to get the solution 3, 2, and 1, which indicates that x equals to 3, y equals to 2, and z is equals to 1. And you know that you can calculate it using this notation too, and it says that b is divided by a, but a is multiplied from left hand side, and it is an interpretation of this equation and they are the same. So we can solve this by calling one of these methods. So inverse of a times b, or a and b divided by a, but a is multiplying from left hand side, or using linsolve function, the built-in function to solve the system of linear equations. So linsolve, let's clear the screen, let's call the linsolve on this. We provide a and b, and that's it. We get the solution of our system of linear equations, and they are equivalent, and we can use all of them interchangeably.